What if I told you that the very waste paper cluttering African streets could actually be your ticket to a multi-million-dollar empire? Yes, go-getters, do you know that the fastest growing entrepreneurs in Africa aren't the tech entrepreneurs nor the real estate moguls? They are actually those who are smart enough to focus on those little daily necessities that people can't do without. And that's the secret most billionaires know that you don't. If you take the case of someone like Dangote, he amassed a lot of fortune by focusing on cement, which is something that people desperately need. If you even look at the Chinese richest man, Zhong Shanshan, he had to amass most of his fortune primarily from just selling bottled water. He understood the concept that water is life and had to hop on it. Another good example is the ball pen. You know that also falls in the category of those things we use daily, right? That brings to mind the big company. Yes, this company has been existing before I was born, and till date is still making a fortune out of the ball pen because they know people use it daily. So that's the same thing I want you to do with this secret that I am about to reveal to you in this video. So please, goal-getters, endeavor to take this business idea as your one-time lottery ticket, for honestly, I've never seen a more recession-proof opportunity than this. So stay tuned, for I am about to show you how a $50,000 investment can generate a $500,000 annual revenue. And that's just the beginning. So let's talk numbers. So if you guessed it right, I am definitely talking here of the tissue paper manufacturing business. Yes, we are referring to things like the toilet tissue, the table tissue, table napkin, or whatever you may call it, and many more. So before we dive into the numbers, if you're new to the channel, my name is Elvin Jik, and I have taken it as a personal mission to make sure that you attain your financial independence as soon as possible. So that's why on here, we serve you everything from businesses in Africa, investments in Africa, literally everything that could bring money into your hands and help you attain your financial independence as soon as possible. So I therefore invite you to like this video already and endeavor to share it with your loved ones at the end of it if you actually find value in it. I also invite you to go to our playlist and catch up on everything we've done there so far. And it might also interest you to know that we've got an investment club that you could join and make Africa a better place. So if this is something that interests you, please go to our about page and click the membership link on there, and you're going to find all the details you need. That said, let's proceed with our video. So let's talk numbers. Did you know that the global tissue paper market is already valued at $85 billion this 2024, with Africa's market share growing at an outstanding 8.5% annually? If you don't know, Africa's population is expected to double by 2050. And guess what? Everyone needs toilet paper every day. You probably watching this video could have probably used a toilet paper seconds ago, right? So take for instance Balogun Enterprise in Nigeria, who started with one small machine in 2018. They are now supplying tissue papers to 3 West African countries with a monthly turnover of over $300,000. And here's the kicker: their raw materials cost almost zero. And they've got the advantage that in Nigeria, external markets have almost no influence on the tissue paper manufacturing. All right, this is simply because since 2018, the federal government actually banned external import of finished toilet roll. And I guess that's what actually prompted them to venture into the tissue paper manufacturing in the first place. The cash flow is also guaranteed and the income is predictable. So that's why you can never go wrong with such businesses, all right? So before I reveal how they achieved this remarkable feat, let me show you why your timing couldn't be better. You know, we've got abundant waste paper and minimal competition in this sector. Just look at floral tissues in Kenya, right? They just started by collecting waste paper from schools and offices. But today, they are a $5 million and their return on investment is turning 150% in the first year alone. That's the advantage of this business, because hey, goal getters, if you haven't noticed, this is something that you are using mainly waste. Yes, goal getters, this is that one business that simply takes you from paper waste to wealth. Yes, so let me just quickly give you a brief breakdown of your startup cost, right? So you would need a small scale tissue converting machine, and that would cost you something about $30,000. Now you would also need something like a factory space setup, which will take you something about $5,000. So let's just estimate an initial working capital of $15,000 or so. So that brings us to about $50,000 startup cost. But here's what makes this opportunity absolutely bulletproof, and why even major corporations are missing out on this gold mine. The tissue manufacturing business in Africa is virtually fail-proof for 3 reasons. The first being the local production costs that are 60% lower than imports. The second reason is the fact that the demand constantly exceeds the supply. Now, thirdly, which is the most amazing, is the fact that your raw materials are literally free. And that brings to mind this woman in Ghana who started her own micro operation in her backyard. And within 18 months, she actually secured contracts with hotel chains across Africa. Her secret, she understood something that I am about to share with you right now. But before I do that, please endeavor to like the video already, alright? Smash the like button and drop a beautiful comment. For you know that's the only way that you could indicate to YouTube that we are doing something great, and it as well serves as a motivation to us, alright? So always endeavor to drop some sweet comments in the comment section below. Thank you. And this brings us to the most crucial part, the exact strategy that turned these entrepreneurs into millionaires. The return on investment numbers are compelling. We are talking of a scaling potential of 200 to 300% by year 3. 2% of the local market. We have this pure gold tissue in Tanzania that actually proved that this model works. They are now worth $12 million just after 5 years in operation. So goal getters, if you want to do something like this, here's an action plan for you. So I'll advise you secure a small factory space near paper waste resource. Next, import a basic converting machine. Also, try to establish things like collection networks with schools or offices. And last but not the least, focus on quality and consistent supply. For as an entrepreneur, you should know that there is nothing that surpasses quality and consistency. So goal getters, please don't let this opportunity slip away. So if you really want to do this, you can subscribe to our membership in order to benefit from a comprehensive guide on starting your tissue manufacturing empire. Remember, in business, timing is everything. And right now, the timing couldn't be better than 2025, all right? And until next time, my name is Elvin Jik, helping you turn Africa's challenges into profitable ventures. Love you all, stay safe, stay blessed.